Good morning, Lewisburg. I'm Kerrigan Parker, and this is Patriot Vision for Thursday, November 7th. Tonight is the final scheduled football game for our Patriot football players. They play at DeSoto Central tonight. Make the short drive to DC, wear construction attire, and support our team. Lewisburg's third consecutive trip to playoffs is next week. More details to come later. The bowling team had a great start to their season. Last night, Lewisburg boys beat Center Hill boys by 738 pins, with Branson Purvis leading the pack with the 596 series. Our girls beat Center Hill girls by 518 pins, with Bailey Shields' 572 series. Great job, team! The in-school soccer game is quickly approaching. Have you bought your tickets? Tickets are now on sale through GoFan and during lunch for $7. If you buy your ticket on GoFan, you need to put your first name, last name, and second block teacher on the form. Maddie spoke with Lily Frazier about the match up against Lake Cormorant for our home game.
I'm here with Lily Frazier, a member of the LHS soccer team. How do you feel about this season so far?
I feel like it's going very well. I feel like we've put a lot of work in, a lot of hours, and I'm very excited to see how it's going to go.
How do you feel about the matchup against Lake Cormorant?
It's going to be a fun game. We're definitely going to be able to move the ball around very well and just have a good, fun time with it.
And why should people come to this in-school game?
I feel like it's going to be a good opportunity for people to come out and see what we've been working on and how hard we've been working.
Thanks, Maddie. If you're headed to the upcoming soccer games, here are the COTC themes.
Here are your 2024-25 COTC soccer themes. The game versus Lake Cormorant is USA. Wear your best patriotic gear. The game against Saltillo is tie-dye. You should wear your best tie-dye gear. The game against Clinton is construction. You should wear bright colors and a hard hat. The game versus Hernando is tourist. Bring your cameras and binoculars. The game versus Oxford is polar plunge. Wear your best swimwear. The game versus Northwest Rankin is skiers. Wear your best ski wear. The game versus DeSoto Central is ugly Christmas sweater. Wear your favorite ugly sweater. The game versus Hernando at home is pajamas. Wear your best sleepwear. The game versus DeSoto Central at home is a blackout. Show up in all black.
On Friday, any student that has a Spring Northwest class needs to attend the registration day. Listen for your name to be called and bring a $75 registration fee. And finally, Lewisburg Theater Department is starting their spring musical reveal today. Each day a show will be removed from the board. Make sure to check their Instagram at Lewisburg High School Theater and participate in the raffle. Thanks for watching and have a great day.